Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Inga and welcome to Health Origins channel. On my channel, I help you transform your eating habits with healthy, oil-free, plant-based meals for a healthier and happier life. If you're tired of yo-yo dieting and calorie counting, you're in the right place, because I believe that food is fuel, so we need to be mindful of what we put in our body and the healthy habits that we build, which in turn will lead to ideal weight for life. You can expect a video every Wednesday, and my Cook Along for Weight Loss show is every Sunday. So if you're new here, subscribe for new videos, hit that bell button as well so you get notified, and see you soon.